more in the future. And oh, hello. Yeah, I don't know if you heard that, but that was somebody struggling to stop at a stop sign because the roads are so icy. Hey guys, coming to you from the frozen wasteland that is Minnesota right now. I just wanted to give a big shout out to everyone who's subscribed to my channel. 600 people have subscribed now. I can't believe it. I'm absolutely blown away. Thank you so much for everybody's support, all your comments. I didn't set out to build a YouTube channel and a huge subscriber base, and I don't monetize my videos, that sort of thing. I do it because I really enjoy driving. I really enjoy playing around with my cars and making the videos, and I really enjoy the comments backwards and forwards with people who write to me via email or on the comments on my videos. I didn't think I'd ever have 600 people, even 100 people interested in looking at my channel. So thank you all, massive thank you. Looking forward to seeing you more in the future. And oh, hello. Yeah, I don't know if you heard that, but that was somebody struggling to stop at a stop sign because the roads are so icy. Anyway, yeah, thanks so much, and I'll see you soon. All the best.